In this video, I'll show you how to use Megapari Casino bonus. This is very easy. Subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional Megapari account. To do that, click on register, fill in your details from choosing your country to your email address, repeat your password, and in the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LeoTV. If you use the promo code LeoTV, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you might receive $300. Once that is done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if you create your account and you claim a casino bonus, first of all, you have to know if you've actually claimed it. To do that, you have to go over to order and click on promo. Once you click on promo, you're going to see promo participation and you're going to see bonus for casino active, which is you get a welcome bonus for making a deposit. So if you use casino bonus and you receive a bonus, you are going to see active here. And once you go ahead and complete your first deposit, you're going to receive a welcome bonus for making a deposit. And what you have to do with that bonus is for you to go and bet on casino. So you go back to games, you search for search for games, and you search for casino here, and then you play for it's going to be free for you to play casino with the bonus that you receive. And that's how to use the casino bonus in Megapari.